found another fox. I just saw another fox right in there. Okay. Wait a minute, come here, come here, come here. Look at the iPad right now. Oh my God, is that her? Did you see it?
Yes, that's her.
That's her? Oh, yes, that is her. All right, I got it. All right, hang on. Let me fly right above her, and I'll give you a QR code. Yeah, she's walking. She's making trails. Found her, baby, yes!
Yes.
I was just gonna say, be careful, that looks like a pond in front of you to the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't step in there.
What if I move this way?
Yeah, if you want, I'll stay on the phone with you just to help you.
But I want to play Gigi Park.
She's walking towards you now, she's...
Okay, I'm going to play Gigi's Park.
Okay. Come on, Roxy. Stop running away. Kidding me? Come on. Yes. Yes. You got her. All right.